Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify keyword ranking tracking in AccuRanker step by step clearly. To verify keyword ranking tracking in AccuRanker, start by logging into your AccuRanker account. Navigate to the dashboard where all your projects are displayed. Select the project for which you want to verify keyword rankings. Once the project opens, look for the keyword list on the screen. Locate the specific keyword you want to check. Click on the keyword to view its ranking details. Review the ranking graph provided for a visual representation over time. Check the ranking position listed next to the keyword. If you need more data, click on the keyword for additional metrics. You can view historical data to observe changes in rankings. To analyze performance further, compare the keyword's ranking against competitors. Utilize filters to customize the data view based on your needs. If you want to check rankings in different locations, adjust the location settings. Once you have reviewed the necessary information, close the keyword details. Return to the main project dashboard for further analysis or insights. Explore any additional features offered by AccuRanker to enhance your keyword tracking experience. Finally, consider setting up alerts for significant changes in rankings. This will help you stay informed about your keyword performance. That concludes the verification process for keyword ranking tracking in AccuRanker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.